Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to show ads rewards in eFootball 2027 mobile. So first of all, close the eFootball 2027 mobile, then relaunch the eFootball 2027 and don't press the circle button to enter the game. Tap on this three horizontal line and then tap on legacy and privacy. Then tap on privacy options. Then tap on add consent settings. Then tap on change ad consent settings. Then scroll down to the bottom and make sure this option is tick mark. I consent to display the personalized ads, and then tap on consent button. And then again relaunch the game. So first of all, close the eFootball 2027 game and then relaunch the game and then tap on the circle button to enter the game. Now once you enter the game, tap on extras, then tap on support, then tap on the add display settings and make sure inbox special player list eFootball coins all are turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on and then tap on back button. Then go to shop section and then tap on eFootball coins, and here you can see watch ad remaining 2. So tap on it, and then after watching the ad you will receive the eFootball coins. So this is how you can show ads rewards in eFootball 2027 mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.